Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing the addition table lesson. So you are going to need your workbook page 4 and you're also going to need your crayons for this lesson. So we're going to start with a red crayon, so go ahead and get a red crayon, and I colored this one already. It kind of looks pink on there, but we're going to color all of the add zero facts red. So go ahead and color that box red. Our count on facts, we are going to color yellow. Our doubles facts, we're going to color blue. Our doubles plus or minus one, we're going to color orange. Our make 10 facts, we're going to color green. And if you need to pause the video at any time to catch up, go ahead and do that. Our add 10 facts, we're going to color purple. And our add 9 facts, we're going to color brown. Okay, so I'm going to take my red crayon, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this page, and I want to find all of the add zero facts. So right here, 0 plus 0 is 0, so that is an add zero fact, so I'm going to color that one. Right here, I have 0 plus 1 equals 1, so I'm going to color that one red. 0 plus 2 equals 2 is an add zero. These ones should be pretty easy. So any equation that you see it's adding 0, you're going to color red. So it should be this whole row looks like it's an add 0, and this whole row is, or this column and this row is add 0. Okay, I want you to pause the video if you need to and color all of them, but I'm going to move on because I think you know what plus 0 means. So now we're going to go to the count on facts, and this is kind of tricky, I think. So this 1 plus 1 equals 2, we're going to say it's a count on fact because we can start with 1 and then we could just say 2. So it's a count on fact, but it's also a doubles fact. So I'm going to put a blue box around it so that we know it's also a doubles fact. Okay. This next one is also a count on fact because I can start with 1 and I can go 2, 3. Or I can go 2, 3. So that is going to be a count on fact.
Larry, can Tana to the office, please?
But it's also a doubles plus or minus 1 because I can do 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1 equals 3. Or 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 more is 3. So I'm going to underline that one. Or sorry, not underline, make a box in the orange because it's doubles plus or minus 1. Okay. Next one, 1 plus 3 equals 4. This is going to be a count on fact because I can start with 3 and 4. Or I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Count on. Okay. This next one, 1 plus 4 equals 5 is also going to be a count on because I can start with 4 and add 1 more is 5. Or I can start with 1 and say 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting on. Okay. This one, 1 plus 5 equals 6, is also a count on because I can start with 5 and I can go to 6, or I can start with 1 and go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a count on fact. Okay, I'm going to skip over to this one over here. Okay, this is 1 plus 9 equals 10, which is a count on fact because I can go 9, 10, or I can go 1 and then count on all the way until 10. But it's also an add 9 fact. So I'm going to take my brown crayon and I'm going to make a box around it so that I know it's also an add 9 fact. Okay, same with the one next to it. This is a count on because it can go 10, 11. So I'm going to color that one yellow. But then it's also an add 10 fact. So I'm going to use my purple and I'm going to make a box around it so that I know it's an add 10 fact. Okay? So go ahead and look through. It should be this column right here and this column up here. That should be count on facts. Okay, and some of those in there might have add 9s or add 10s. Some of them might be doubles plus or minus 1 or doubles. Okay, so look through those. I'm going to skip to this 3 plus 3 equals 6 right here. And that's a double. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So I'm going to color that one blue. Okay. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to look at my doubles. So I'm going to go this way. 4 plus 4 equals 8 is a double. 5 plus 5 equals 10 is a double. 6 plus 6 equals 12 is a double. 7 plus 7 equals 14 is a double. Okay, doubles should be pretty easy to find. So whenever you find a double, you're going to color it blue. Okay, let's get our orange crayon and let's look at some doubles plus or minus 1 facts. So I'm going to go right here next to my double and I'm going to look at 3 plus 4 equals 7. So I can say 4 plus 4 equals 8, minus 1 equals 7, or I can do 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 equals 7. So that's a doubles plus or minus 1, so I'm going to color that one orange. Okay, let's look at some other ones. Let's look right here. I have 5 plus 5 equals 10, minus 1 equals 9, or I can do 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9, so that's going to be a doubles plus or minus 1. Okay, let's look at this one right here. 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus 1 equals 11, or 6 plus 6 equals 12, minus 1 equals 11. So that is doubles plus or minus 1 fact. Okay. All right, let's get our green crayon and let's look at some make 10 facts. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to look over here. I found one right here. So this is making 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. So I'm going to color that one green because that is a make 10 fact. I see one right here. 2 plus 8 equals 10. That's a make 10 fact. It's also a count on because we can do 8, 9, 10. So I'm just going to underline or make a box in yellow in that one so that we know it's both of them. Okay, let's find some other ones right here. 4 plus 6 equals 10. That is a make 10. So these should be pretty easy. Wherever you see the answer is 10, you know that that is a make 10. Okay? And some of them might also be count on facts. So remember, you can do both. Okay, you can do a make 10 and a count on. See, this looks a little bit blurry. Let me just see if I can make it better. Okay, that looks better. All right, lastly is add 9 facts, and we're going to get our brown crayon. So anywhere that you see that we are adding 9, I just saw this one right here, 7 plus 9 equals 16. I'm going to color that one brown. Right here I have 6 plus 9 equals 15. I have right here 5 plus 9 equals 14. Right here 4 plus 9 equals 13. Okay, anywhere that you see that they are adding 9, okay, this one right here would be an add on 2, so it's adding 9 and we're adding on, so 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to color this one yellow for count on fact, and then I'm going to underline it. Okay? So go ahead, I give you some examples of each type of fact. So again, add 0 is going to be anything plus 0. So for example, 0 plus 4. Okay. Count on facts is going to be something that you can count on. So 3, 4, or 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to do 9 plus 2. That's also an add 9 fact, so let me give you another count on fact. Let's do 4 plus 1, 4, 5. We're just counting on. Okay, let's see, another one would be 7 plus 1. Oops, my 7 wasn't very neat. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7, 8. Okay, doubles facts, you should know 6 plus 6. You could do 7 plus 7. Okay, then doubles plus or minus 1, we're doing, so if you had like 3 plus 4, so we know that that's doubles plus or minus 1 because we could do 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then we would add 1, and that would equal 7. Okay, or you can do 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then 8 minus 1 would equal 7. So that's your doubles plus or minus 1. Next one is make 10 facts. So anywhere that you make 10. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay. Then add 10 facts. Okay, so anywhere that you are adding 10. So let me color some more of these for you. So 7 plus 10 equals 17. That's an add 10 fact. So I'm going to color that one purple. 6 plus 10 equals 16. That's an add 10 fact. 5 plus 10, add 10 fact. Okay, so let me write some of those for you. So 8 plus 10 equals 18 is an add 10. Or you can do 10 plus 6 is an add 10. Okay, and then add 9 is pretty much the same as, it's kind of like add 10, but you're adding 9. So 8 plus 9, or we could do 9 plus 7. Okay, anything like that. So go ahead and fill in this chart and finish coloring. Remember, some of them can be both, so just make a box of the other colors, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know.